people, how y'all doing? I'm back in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. In today's episode, I'm going to be using the KALORIK electric oven. And what am I going to be baking in it? Well, today I'm going to make a blueberry pound cake. I'm going to use a recipe just for regular pound cake, and I'm just going to put the blueberries in it, and also some cream cheese. It's basically, I seen Ina Gardner. If any of y'all know her from Food Network, I believe, I seen her recipe on YouTube. I'm going to try and imitate that recipe, but only difference is I'm just putting some blueberries in there. Hopefully it works out. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to cook it in the KALORIK oven, and I'm going to use this pan. Wait, what size is this pan? It is, I think this is my 10-inch. This might be my 10-inch loaf pan. I don't know. I don't have my glasses on. But anyway, what I was going to show, if I could, is how you start this thing. Okay, as you can see, it says start, oven, air fry. If you guys can read that stuff, I'm not sure. And then, how about I turn it on? There we go. Okay, I'm going to be baking a cake. So, see that word bake? Let me see, I guess I turned the oven on. Yes, there we go. I got to go back around because okay, there's the word bake. And Lord Jesus, I think, okay, I'm going to keep, let me see, I haven't been using this for a minute. Ooh, I messed up again. I got to go back to bake. Okay, it's flashing on bake. You guys can see that. See, it has 25 minutes, 375 degrees. Okay, so what am I trying to do? Okay, I think, I don't know how long this cake is going to take in this air fryer. So I'm going to put it up on, I don't know, because I haven't used this as far as baking a cake. So I'll put it up on 45, 50 minutes. Okay, and then as for time, I'm going to turn it down to, I believe, was it 335 or 325? And let's see how it does there. Okay, let me get my pan out here. So that's the temperature, so I don't have to go back over this when I get ready to put the cake in the oven. That's when I'm going to cook it at, and we'll see. The time might be less, I'm not sure, with the electric oven. With this electric oven, we're going to find out today. And this, as I said, is in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. All I'm going to do is show you I'm baking in the oven. I'm not necessarily going to show you how I made the cake. It's just a regular pound cake. And you guys want to imitate that recipe, like I said, I've seen Ina Gardner on YouTube, the Food Network lady. She was baking it's called a vanilla cream cheese pound cake, something like that. Well, if you guys want to follow her recipe, you know, I've seen it on YouTube. So here I go, advertising Food Network, not intentionally or deliberately. It's just, I'm just sharing where I've seen a recipe. Alright, so yes, you guys, one more thing I forgot to mention about this KALORIK electric oven that I love about it is that when you set it, your temperature and your time, the oven will cut off, so you don't have to worry about going and leaving and worrying about your food burning up, because the KALORIK oven shuts off. So that's another good feature about this KALORIK oven. Okay, people, I have put the cake in the oven, and remember the time and the temperature on the KALORIK electric oven, air mat oven. And okay, blueberry pound cake. So here we go. I'll be back with the finished results. Hello everyone, I'm back, and as you can see, my blueberry pound cake is done. The only thing that happened is that I didn't evenly shape it to where the loaf is even, because one side is higher than the other. But that's okay, it has nothing to do with taste. So I'm gonna be taking this out in a few minutes, and then I'm gonna slice a piece and let you guys see what it looks like on the inside, and I'm gonna taste it, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching Cooking with These Gadgets. Be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, I have cut a slice and I let my daughter taste it. How do you like the taste of it,
Absolutely delicious, moist, full of sweetness. Oh, it's delicious.
Thank you. Thank you, my baby. I'm so happy that you're enjoying my beautifully made blueberry pound cake in the KALORIK electric oven. And yes, folks, there's 2 of these cakes. I had to separate because it was too much batter for one loaf pan. So I'm gonna be cutting another slice and set it in a bowl so you guys can see the texture of this delicious blueberry pound cake while I'm in the kitchen cooking with these gadgets. Okay, you guys, here's a slice of my deliciously made, beautiful, as you can see my little blueberries in there scattered on the side. I should have paid close attention and made sure that the blueberries were like centered in the center. Just put them where I want to put them. I'll do that next time. But anyway, the texture in the cake is delicious. Looks delicious. Looks good. I like it. The cake is springy, moist, succulent, and melt in your mouth. This is a great blueberry pound cake, and I'm happy to be sharing it with you guys. And thank you guys for coming back and checking out all of my gadget cooking videos. And I want to welcome back all the subscribers and any new looky-loos. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it all. Have a blessed day. Bye. I don't know if I said, but the KALORIK oven really does a great job baking cakes. So, yeah, I love it.